Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show a special portrait Holi concert photo editing tutorial. Now we have to open PicsArt application, tap on this plus icon and you have to scroll down and tap on pick canvas and as usually select 1:1 ratio white background. Now go to edit image, okay, tap on this arrow and you have to go to edit image. After this you have to add the PNGs one by one and model image. Simply follow my video. So you can also edit your images exactly like you seen in thumbnail, okay. These are all PNGs. I will give link in the description, okay, background link, everything I will give link in the description. Now follow my video friends. If you are still watching my video, please consider like friends, okay, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends, okay. I hope you enjoy this Holi tutorial and you can also edit this type of photo editing tutorial, okay. Now add your model image. Before adding you have to erase your background of the model image. I already did because it will take so much of time. By using the cutter tool you have to cut the background and arrange your model image in the center of the circle like this. And by using this eraser tool you have to erase unwanted parts after this, okay. Simply follow my video. Friends, finally the editing in PicsArt is completed. Now what you have to do is you have to save this image and you have to jump into the Lightroom application. Open Lightroom app and you have to add this model image. Along this model image you have to add one preset. I will give this preset link in the description, okay, the preset link in the description. Copy the settings and get back, tap on take get back and you have to add the settings to this model image and you have to do further adjustments. Friends, this is the end of the video. I hope you all like this Holi tutorial, okay. Hope you guys enjoy and edit this type of photo editing for your images. See you in new video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.